Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're reviewing this right here. This is the Trans Tune by Seafoam. I'm going to put the price on the screen. So the backstory is I have a car that shifts hard from 1 to 2. First gear to second gear, there's a hard shift right there. And there's a slip, a very tiny slip between 2 and 3. So this claims to do a lot. My main focus is the hard shift from 1 to 2 because it is a little bit hard. And this is gonna clean, supposedly it's gonna clean everything inside. Cleans harmful fluid residues that cause rough system operation and erratic shifting. Okay, so before we pour it in, I wanna show you the consistency of the liquids. So we're gonna pour it in here before we put it in the car. So as you can see, this fluid is very thin. So it's almost like soda. And it smells horrible, by the way. But it's the consistency is like soda. Just in case you were wondering. Okay, folks, so we are going for a test drive. Okay, so as you can see, I put it on 0. So that's just to measure our distance. Okay, folks, so I'm already getting disappointed. So if you see over here, I have driven this car for 254 miles. So remember, we started at 0 and now we're at 254 miles and no change at all. Okay, folks, so I just pulled this out right here. I can't do it in real time because I have to hold the camera, but as you can see, it looks perfectly clean. It's not getting dark or anything. So I was hoping that it would get dark, so that would prove that it's getting the varnish or whatever out of there. But it doesn't seem to be doing that. So let's keep driving. Okay, folks, so we have been driving this car, as you can see, right there. 400 miles. So it's been 400 miles since I put in the Seafoam Trans Tune, and I can't tell the difference. So I really don't think it's doing anything. So the slipping is still there and the hard shifting is still there. So what can I say? I have to be honest, it's not working. Okay, folks, so this is the fluid that came out of the transmission, and I don't see any varnish. Okay, folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and it is a complete failure. It did absolutely nothing good. And as you saw in the odometer, I drove it well past 100 miles because they just, I think it's on the website that they'll say that if you're going to do this before a transmission fluid drain. So right here, let me try to zoom in. 100 miles. Now, it is possible that because this dilutes the fluid, as you can see right here in the images, this is such a thin fluid that it will dilute. It seems like it's gonna dilute the transmission fluid. So if you have an old thick transmission fluid in your car and that's affecting your transmission, you put this in, this will thin out that transmission fluid and it'll make it work. So as a diluter, I guess you could call it that, it is possible that that's what's happening for all these people that say that they drove it for a minute or two and then boom, the transmission was working again and the shifting was smooth and everything else. I can believe that, but it's not cleaning, not that I know of. I don't think it's cleaning anything. I even checked the fluid with my paper towels, like a white paper towel, and see if I saw anything coming out, and it was no difference than before I put this in. So I guess that's what's happening. All this does is thin out your old and thick transmission fluid. You put this in and it thins it out, and then of course it's gonna go back to the transmission. Is gonna start working normally again, because it was previously, the fluid was too thick. So this is all my opinion. Like I said, everything I say in this video and everything I do in this video is my opinion. I'm not an expert. Of all the additives out there, the Lucas is the one that kind of worked. I put it in the same car that we worked on with this thing, and it kind of smooths out the shift. It didn't fix the problem, but it smooths out the shift. So instead of a bang, it was a whoosh. And that was on one car. And then I have another car, the Ford EcoBoost. It did work on that car first. So for some reason it worked on one car but not on another. And I'm talking about the Lucas, not this. This I only tested on one car and it didn't work at all. So I tested Lube Guard. I tested this. I tested the Amsoil $92 transmission fluid. I tested the Valvoline Max Life transmission fluid and the Hyper Tough, or I can't remember, the Walmart brand transmission fluid, and none of them did anything for my car as far as fixing the shifting problem, except the Lucas stop slip transmission fix or something like that. I'll do a separate review on that. So if you're having problems, you probably ain't gonna end up using that, because none of this stuff is gonna do anything. So again, everything I said in this video is my opinion. I'm not an expert. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.